So yun nga.
I'll go first na lang po.
Sige.
So far po, we're entering the half of the year. And what's the project that you really enjoyed so far?
Ako The Clash, yung singing contest na judge ako, Miss Lani, Miss Anay. I'm excited sa mga bagong Clashers, I'm excited sa mga bagong songs. Parang parang naka-concert ka eh. Nanonood ako ng concert. Tapos ako yung binabihan. Tapos di ako makanta. At kidding aside, I love discovering new talent.
And what's something that you look forward to naman bukod sa The Clash before the year ends?
Well, more music na hindi ko pa ma-share as of now, pero we're mixing already, naka-record na kami. So I'm so excited for that next collaboration project na inalabasan this week. Thank you.
Ako po,
Sa ito, kuya. Yeah, okay.
Ama na po yung mga abangan namin this project, this whole year.
Yun nga, sorry medyo ulitin ko lang yung sinabi niya. Pero yeah, I'm so excited for The Clash. And I'm so excited for All Out Sundays pa rin. Concerts here and abroad. Pinipirmahan na lang. And more music, more singles to release. And so excited kasi ako rin, I did my best in writing a song that I just released. It's called Vertigo. I released it a few weeks ago. And hoping to create more.
Okay. Sir Christian, ano naman yung pinaka best experience mo so far as a Kapuso of 12 years?
Unfortunately, it's gonna be the same answer kasi I really enjoy myself with The Clash and talagang discovering new talent, being a judge, being a helper sa mga bagong generation of singers. And I'm so excited for you guys to watch it kasi my God, kakaiba yung mga singers.
And then, about The Clash, sa the past 6 seasons, tama ko ba? 6 seasons or 7 seasons?
Magsi-7 na, oh.
Yeah, okay. 6 seasons of The Clash. Sino yung pinaka-tumatak na clasher sa inyo during those seasons?
Siguro yung mga kasama ko sa AOS ngayon na whether win or lose, kasama ko pa rin sila, sina Garrett, sina Jessica, ngayon si Naya, and sina Thea, na before I was just watching them, now we sing together.
And finally from me, ano ang pinaka nilook forward mo sa GMA this 2025 and 26, like aside from The Clash and All Out Sundays, what more
Yes,
can
so
we expect?
if there are roles or characters that I will be able to play in a future soap opera, whatever that may be, I'm also excited to do that again. And if there are any musical theater projects then na bago, I would be so excited to do it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Aside from The Clash and Sundays, meron ka ba mga kapuso sa gusto mo mag-cameo o magkaroon ng maliit na role sa
Para tayo sa Batang Riles, di ba? The train operator. Bagong train operator na dadaan sa Batang Nag-hello lang, gumawa yun. Kasi ang ganda rin na may bagong pumapasok. Si Jillian makapasok. Excited for it. Tinatanong ko nga sila, hanggang kailan ba Batang Riles? Open-ended. So parang, it could be like a forever show natin. So I'm excited kung mangyari man yun. Ngayon ko lang naisip lang. So, good question.
And how about your Asian fans na yun na, Indonesia, sa ibang parts of Southeast Asia, nabisita mo na ba sila or na-update nila sila regarding what they're doing?
Yeah, well, thanks to social media, of course. And sometimes I have Zooms with them. Pero most of all, I still go, especially to Indonesia, almost every quarter to sing or to promote or choose to do more music.
Any other countries na gusto mo i-explore na puntahan?
Lahat ng hindi pa natin napuntahan, honestly. Pero ang reality is kasi mahirap talaga. Mahirap magkaroon ng certified success sa ibang country. To release, to market, madali. It takes also a lot of investment.
Pero yung mga
Talagang careful planning talaga. Pero if the right opportunity comes, para sa Indonesia, it will happen.
And actually, given na ang daming artists nagkakaroon din ng parang stage play na kanilang mga songs, are you also open to that your songs will be created into a stage theater?
Yeah, why not? That would be interesting. If ever na magkaroon ng gano'n, I want it small, romantic, and intimate. Parang parang culture. That would be good. Thank you.
Kevin from Manila Concert City. Sir Christian, congrats sa achievements niyo po kayo. Sir, you've been in the industry for like 3 decades.
Gusto mo ba ako yan?
Thank you, sir. You've been here in the industry for 3 decades. Ano pa yung gusto niyo pong ma-achieve or magawa sa concert scene?
Sa concert scene, gusto ko mag-produce. Concert or co-direct, co-produce, ganyan, ng concert. And on the creative side naman, siguro sa likod ko. Tapos kunyari na lang, i-mention nila ako, tapos kakanta ko. Mga kunyari lang, pero nakabilis. Pero on the other side, that would be so interesting.
Last question. Sino po yung gusto niyo pong makakulang sa generation po? Superstars ngayon.
There's so many that's really for answer. Pero you know what? I've never done one full concert in VSM. So that would be a dream to come true.
I'm Melanie from Manila Concert Hall.
Thank you.
For the past 2 decades, ano pa ba yung hindi mo pa na gusto mo pong ma-achieve or from acting ba, sa music, any project you have? Yung ano yung highlight sa career mo? Ano yung the best moment?
Mahirap yung best moments. Parang tinatanong yan sa mga singers na kailan ba ang golden era ng kanila. Pero every year meron ng golden era or every season. So the highlights would be every time I'm in musical theater, every time I'm in the class, every time I'm singing sa All Out Sundays, every time I'm doing a concert here or movie show or abroad. There's so many, there's no single one. Pero siguro ang one of my dreams would be to create something. To create or write a song that will reach millions. To create or write a story for a musical or a movie. In that side, I would like to explore. Thank you. Kain na.
Message to your fans na lang, sir.
Thank you so much na nandyan pa rin po kayo. Thank you sa mga anak nyo na nandyan din para sa akin. Minsan nakikilala ko yung mga anak nila. Pero I would love to always connect with you and share more music. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Picture.
Yeah.